Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we're making a healing red lentil bread. It's gluten-free and perfect for rheumatoid arthritis. It's also excellent for people with blood sugar issues, as it helps prevent rapid spikes in glucose levels. For those on a weight loss diet, it keeps you feeling full for a long time and helps control appetite. First, soak 1 cup of red lentils for 3 to 4 hours. Drain and add them to a blender. Add half a cup of water, then half a teaspoon of baking powder. One teaspoon of salt, cumin, anise. And a little oil. Blend until smooth and creamy. Now, heat a pan. Pour a ladle of the batter and spread it evenly. Sprinkle sesame seeds on top for extra nutrients. Cook until one side is set, then flip and cook the other side. This bread is a natural, healthy option. Using lentils instead of flour avoids gluten and supports an anti-inflammatory lifestyle. If you enjoyed this recipe, subscribe and turn on notifications. Like and share to support us.